Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I will be your host once again for today. Now, if you've been watching the previous videos, you know exactly what our XtreamFX Global Academy family has to offer, such as Forex, right? Forex educational platform, such as your copy and paste trade ideas. We also have your HFX, your binary. We show you how to trade on the NADEX, that's one of the regulated brokers. We also have different financial technology programs for you. And then on top of that, we have crypto, which shows you how to invest in crypto, how to protect your crypto, and how to leverage the market, whether it's going up or down. Okay. So now you're like, how exactly do I get started? So what you want to do, someone's going to send you a link that looks just like this, or you'll find it in the description of this video. Once you get this link, all you want to do is decide what it is that you would like to come on board with us as. Would you like to be on the educational side? Would you like to take advantage of the phenomenal compensation part and become an affiliate? So you're going to go over the education part first. So if you strictly want to learn education, you're just going to click on it, education. Once you click on it, you're going to scroll down. So we're going to scroll down. You got some more information here. It tells you exactly what you're getting access to. We're going to keep scrolling, and right here you're going to see our educational packages. Now, if you want to come in and strictly just learn Forex, that is only $99 to start and $99 a month. I'm going to say that one more time. There's only $99 to start and $99 a month, and you get access to our academy. Plus, you get access to our copy and paste trade ideas on the FRX/Forex side. You come over a step further, say you're like, hey, I want to learn the HFX side. And that is where you're learning Forex and HFX now, and that is $139 a month, okay? Now say you want to take it a step further and you're like, hey, I want to learn FRX, I want to learn the HFX, and I want to learn how to trade the NADEX binary options. That is only $179 a month, okay? You come down a little further right here. Remember, you've heard me mention in previous videos, we have one of the phenomenal US 30 academies from the top educator. And what you have right here is $199 a month to learn how to leverage the US 30 market. So let's say, for instance, you're like, hey, okay, that sounds phenomenal, but you mentioned that compensation plan the last time, Keish. How do I take advantage of that? What you're going to do is when you get the link, you want to come up, see it says about us, education, financial services. You know, we offer tons of financial services. You want to come over and click on affiliate. Once you click on affiliate, you're going to get your whole menu here. You're going to come down, okay, it tells you everything that you need. And then right here where it says enroll as an affiliate, you want to choose your package. Now, the only difference over here is that they're adding on the affiliate fee. So now we're able to, you basically franchising the company. So you're becoming a franchisee with us. So that is a $69, okay, annual fee. You're not paying the $69, you know how to have the IBO fees every single month. No, you're paying this once a year. So that is $99 plus a $69, which is $168 that you'll be paying today to get started with us. And then it drops down to $99 a month to learn your FRX side. Now you have your trade ideas, plus on top of that, you're leveraging a compensation plan, okay, where you're getting fast start bonuses on top of the compensation, on top of your generational bonuses as well, and on top of all the loyalty perks that we have. And then let's take it a step further. Say you're like, hey, I want to go affiliate plus, okay, because now I want to take advantage of all the discounts. I want to take advantage of the Forex education. I want to learn HFX plus get the HFX trade ideas. Yes, we have that over here as well. I want to also get the credit, the DIY credit. Well, now I'm also starting to work on myself. So as I'm starting to create this cash flow, now I'm starting to really make it work, because now I'm working on my credit as well. And then plus now you get payouts on our financial technology programs as well. So that is $299. That'll be due today, of course. And then it drops down to $129 monthly. Okay, so the $299, your affiliate, remember I told you normally pay the $69 a year, now it's waived. So you're just coming in at $299, and then it drops down to $129 monthly. Now, let's say you're like, hey, Keish, I want to go all in. Now you're going into the affiliate pro. The affiliate pro is only $499 one time, and then it drops down to $149 monthly. So what all do you get for $499? One, you get to become a franchisee of one of the top educational platforms in the world, okay? On top of that, you get every single thing. So everything you saw here, plus now you're getting payouts on each and last single one of our financial programs that we have, okay? And then plus you get into fast start bonuses are $200, okay? So we're gonna talk about that in another video, but say, hey, you're like, hey, I wanna come all in. You have the highest package, this is $499 one time, then it drops down to $149 monthly. But a lot of people do come in at the affiliate basic just to get their, to get their feet wet a little bit, and then you can always upgrade, okay? So then if you do come in at affiliate basic, don't worry, you can always upgrade at a later time. All right, so that is all for today. Make sure whoever sent you this video, you get back with them to get their sponsor link. But if you can't see this video from myself, you're going to see my link in the description of this video. Give me a call. We'll walk you through, get you started, and get you onto our fast start trainings and also to our new member orientation. So this has been Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I'm looking forward to welcome you into our XtreamFX Global Academy.